A year ago, I was trying to figure out how to fund my business. And if you've not already been there, let me save you a little time. Most banks will tell you we need 2 years of documents to prove that we can trust you with our money, that you're worth taking the risk on. Well, as a new business, that's a little hard to do. Now, that being said, after many of hours trying to figure out another solution, I had one or two options. Either one, I was going to figure this out, or two, I could just quit and say, you know what, I'd give it my best shot. But if you're watching this video, chances are you're like me. You don't want to quit. You know the idea that you have for your business, and you just need the capital to make it happen. So I was going through social media one night, and I ran across a post that says that we can get you funding where most banks cannot. Now, I had been to most banks, and I was intrigued by this. That being said, after filling out the pre-qualification application for this, I saw that I was approved. Now, this ain't for everyone. If you're someone that is kind of off and on as far as whether you want a business or not, and you're not locked in and you're not ready to go for this, you're kindly more of, I like doing this on the side, but I'm not ready to go full force with it, this ain't for you. Now, you can pre-qualify without hard inquiries to this company just to see if it's going to be a match for you or not. When you do this, it is a process. This is not an overnight thing. No matter what you see on YouTube of people saying, oh, I can get you funding overnight. This is a process. So if you don't have patience, this ain't for you. But let me tell you, it is worth it. And you ain't got to have 2 years of documentation to prove that you're worthy to bring your ideas to this world. Now, I have partnered with this same company that got me funding. And let me tell you, professional, on their game, and they know how to work the system to get you the most amount of funding. TrueFinco has been able to get me funding not once, but twice, allowing me to run my business how I need to. Now, even though it is a process, I thought once this is done and they get me the funding, that's it. We part ways and we're good. But a year later, I'm still working with TrueFinco, not only from the standpoint of getting funding, but being able to make sure my business runs as smooth as possible, making sure all my T's are crossed and all my I's are dotted when it comes to the paperwork for my LLC. So if you're at the point of not knowing how you're going to fund your business and you want to quit, let me tell you, there is another way. Go ahead, click the link below, and yes, I do get a small commission from this, but being that I went through the process myself, let me tell you, it is worth it, and it will get you started on the right path.